What? Audio pencil. So what I'm here to talk about is my videos. I know I haven't been in a lot of my videos, but now I'm able to start making videos. Since I finally figured out how to be like a one-man camera. So yeah, that's gonna be cool since I'm doing it since I've got pretty decent amount of views. Yeah.